My people, I don't bring una matter from Abia State, the governor of Abia State himself. When I know my name na Governor Okezie. Igbo people, Igbo kwenu, Alpha. Oh, but they don't go kill now on time. Say amen. This man don't come outside now, when they bring nonsense rules, nonsense regulation, nonsense, in fact, plans. According to Ram, listen very well. He say 100,000 naira, 100K go for cows where they key. Any cow where they don't key, he go give the herdsmen, the owners of those cows, 100,000 naira each. And then the farmers, because for now we know they are aware, some cows now they enter people farmland, they chop their crops, even the herdsmen themselves, they even enter the farmland, they attack farmers. So now this governor don't come outside to say even the farmers where they attack, whether both farmers and the farm products, he say he go still give the farmers another 100,000 naira each. I beg, I don't like make it be saying my own English when I hear every time. You understand? Now why I bring the matter. So for now we don't know who be the governor of Abia State, and I don't know what they happen right now. I don't bring that. So join me, make we watch the video.
We pay compensation of about 100,000 naira for any cow that is killed on account of a misunderstanding between the farmers and the herders, and we pay compensation of the same amount of money for farmlands verified to have been trampled or destroyed by stray cows.
Now una go believe me when I tell una say something dey inside Nigerian cow. No, una go believe me now. I tell una this thing before. Something they happen with cows and Nigeria. I don't know, but they get one funny connection where I still dey. I go soon find out. Trust me now, no be my job. I go soon find out. Wetin be the connection between cows and Nigeria? Like I no just understand. So now for Nigeria, cows they get value past human being. Cows. The one way even they make me like I just feel like to carry gun shoot this man. Herdsmen, they go pay herdsmen 100,000 naira for what? For the killing where they don't kill people. I mean the raping where they don't rape. They go pay them on top of that. I mean where Nigeria they go? Where will they go? And I they wonder every day. Since where these herdsmen don't they kill people, rape people, kidnap people, do everything to people? I beg, Mr. Governor Okezie, how many families of people that have died have you gone to compensate? Since the herdsmen have been killing people, you don't go compensate family. Una not even they visit. No, are they very serious? They don't even visit the families of people that have died, though. Not to talk of the same money. Where? Wonder shall never end. Wonder. Chineke. See, I no care. I no care whether you give farmers money. I no care whether you pay for farmers work. See, that one no be my business. My own be say herdsmen they no get right to collect 1 kobo. But na Nigeria we dey. Hello. So nothing will happen. It is very normal. And I just say this other now they come from above. They don't sit down, get those useless meetings where they get every time. You can't conclude nonsense conclusion, can't give us nonsense plans. You and Una they do that one. Una not just understand the implication of all these things what they do. Let me say you they give rapists, kidnappers, and killers. You they give them go ahead. You even they pay them for the nonsense what they do. God. I no just don't understand, but see, person need put sense inside that governor head. At least, make we just assume, say, okay, the head of the whole organization, I be government of Nigeria, the head no dey again. Because we no get head. Anything wey you want tell me na for your pocket. Me, I know they see head for Nigeria. So at least, the ones wey remain now, at least they need put sense for those people head because I don't tire. I am tired. How una dey treat people like say they don't mean anything? People wey God create, una dey do, see, una no value life. And see, whether you like it or not, take it as an insult. Anybody wey no value life, they useless. You all are useless because I know they see wetin be the essence of this life. If you no fit treat your fellow human beings the way you go wish wey they treat you, wetin be the essence of you living? Igbo people, una even form my hand. Una too dey smart to allow this kind of person sit down on top that seat. Abia people, una smart too much to allow this man sit down there, even dey tell us nonsense. E better make Oyibo even come kukuma dey rule us o, because I know they see wetin they do. They no even know their job again. So e better make Oyibo just come, start dey rule us. Make we no say, okay, now we no even dey black person hand again. You dey give headsmen 100,000, but many people dey, many citizens dey wey they never even collect salary for 3-4 months. You dey give headsmen 100,000. You don't just know what to do with money. Go pay people their salary. You una get money too, so una even get money. See, the place where una go end now only God know. But that place no get name. That name, they never write that name for English. We no sabi that name. People they die of hunger. People they die of many things. And now even they cause them. Now even these headsmen, they cause people hunger today. Now they compensate heads. Jesus Christ, this is the way they do me for body. I don't know whether when they feel the way they feel. Headsmen, that name alone, na terrorist. That name, that headsmen na evil name. Na evil name. Una don't turn everything upside down. Una don't even know the meaning of headsmen. Bia, big head of Abia State. You call yourself Mr. Okezie. I don't come here now because of you. You understand? If you know wetin good for you, that money, since you don't decide say you know they pay people salary, I beg I dey beg. Construct your road. If you want show yourself say you get money, start from your roads. Abia roads, they just dey anyhow. Construct your road. May we not say, okay, this man don't they think. Not can they get the timing? Headsman, 100,000. You want sure say you sabi speak English? You sabi speak English? I bet my people not be smarting. We still get another interesting matter. May we not let those ones come here. They disturb us. Anyhow, this one are still the headsmen people. Chai! See, these people matter. They become, in fact, they become serious day by day. They become serious every day. Now, this one that happened for Edo State. If you not see Edo women, they don't cause, in fact, they don't cause riot, cause cow. These women now, they start, they say anything today, we they die for this place. They don't block all the major roads, those important roads where they know say big people go they pass, especially these ones where the government. They don't block them. Although if you not see them, they say until they chase these headsmen come up for Edo, say they no go leave that place and they no go open that road. I beg my people for now, we don't know how Edo women they look like. If you not see how they even tie rapper, Ikpeazu. I beg join me, make we watch them.
Life in a women coming out en masse to say no. Fulani herdsmen. No to rape. No to family brutalization.
Chineke. Something we una suppose don't do since. If una know how they pray for this one to happen. Because all the protests wey we dey hear before, youth. I say don't do for youth. See, any matter where women never dey involved, solution no dey come out. Trust us, we get solution for everything. And you know say now we dey make people heart dey soft. No matter how man heart strong, once woman don't enter inside picture, my people will go melt. Except for those wey be demons, those ones they no be human being. Because any human being, As long as woman don't dey involve, they mellow. You understand? See them now. They say they no dey gree. Say nobody dey pass that place. No be joke, oh. Chai. See, they don't go carry. See, they carry this thing from their baba. As you see them like that, they don't carry something. Trust Edo people now. So government, go through. No, go throw tear gas now. You know they had una either una shoot gun, tear gas, or una send people make they beat them. Go try them. Now una go no say juju they work. Edo people. I don't talk anything. I just say you understand. I dey hail una. See, this thing they make me dey happy. It dey make me dey happy. See, once in a while, you supposed stand for your rights. Imagine you suffer finish, plant your crops, make your farm look nice. Cows, herdsmen, they just go there, go scatter them anyhow. Some of them even they kill people. I beg, make una no gree, oh. That stand, we una stand there. I beg, no gree, no let anybody even come change your mind, come tell you this and come tell. This fight, we are fighting it till the end. You understand? I beg my people, all this thing where they happen, forget say they laugh. I get serious matter for una. All of una we no say una no fit do without cow meat. Una no fit do without cow meat. Any small thing una won't die. I beg, make we dey manage chicken day, turkey day, fish day. You understand? Make we dey manage and now we dey patronize them. Now why all this thing even dey happen? Una don't too show them say una no fit do without them. Una go die if una no chop cow. Me I no dey inside though. Because now, I just dey wait make these people come meet these women for there. And now for here una still get the update oh. The way God go take punish some people. The way God go take punish some people. He go do them like film. He go do them like film. Like say they watch film. Buhari and co. Una no go come outside now, come talk something. But if now people do herdsmen something now, sharp, una go stand up from that seat like say they chook una needle. But now una relax, nobody is ready to talk. Now God oh, now God. If we like, we do am. If we like, we no do am. But if una ask me, it better make we join this protest. And I no even feel wait for the youth own. The youth protest wey go happen next go be bloody. That one, people go even dey wonder whether na Nigeria we still dey, because that one e go catch fire. And they tell una serious matter. And me, una go see me there personally. Me, I go there personally. No be joke. Una will never see me in person. Wait, when that thing happen, una go see me there. The matter dey very serious because and another matter say where even they think. My people, these northerners, their land there, they get lands for their side oh, for not. One person land self, if he big pass the whole western region. But yeah, they go still they come to this side, they disturb people. Why una no fit dey una day, make we dey our day? Waiting. I no blame una. I been a powerless leader where we get, where you don't decide say you no go just do something good for him people. I no blame una. Our mothers, sweet mothers, biko, make una no say una no dey alone no. 101 TV, me myself, we dey with you, kampe, we dey stand gidigba. And we dey talk say no more. My people, enough is enough. No more rape. No more farming brutalization. No more killing. No more kidnapping. No, in fact, no is no. And we are done. You understand? Yes, so now the matter be this way they happen right now for Edo State. It dey very hot. Now why you need to subscribe, share this video, because the next meeting will go happen now. Where one of the big people go one pass, where they not allow them pass. Now that one you not supposed to miss. Now why you need to click on that subscription bell so that you not go miss anything. You understand? Don't go far, guys. See you later.